This is a video about square numbers. Square numbers are literally numbers that can make a square shape. You can see here I've already put an example. Here's the number 1. If I've got just one object, it makes a square shape. If I've got 4 objects, I can arrange them into a square shape. If I've got 9 objects, I can arrange them into a square shape. And we'll see in a moment that there are other numbers that will do this as well. But if I was trying to arrange 3 things into a square shape, I wouldn't be able to. I'd be able to make a triangle, but I wouldn't be able to make a square. So we use the little 2 here. It's like an index. It's been the number 1 has been raised to the power of 2, and it means it's just 1 times by 1. So I've gone along 1 and I've gone down 1. So I've just got 1 as my answer. So my first square number is 1. Then here, the next one that we saw was when I've got 2 squares along and 2 squares down. So that's 2 squared, 2 raised to the power of 2 is the same as 2 times 2, which is 4. And we can see there are 4 squares in that shape. And then 3 squared, that's 3 raised to the power of 2. It's just 3 multiplied by 3. It's 3 multiplied by itself. And we can see that that makes 9 squares there. So when we square a number, we are multiplying it by itself. And you'll see, if I look at this chart, you'll see on our standard times table grid, you'll see that the numbers along the diagonal are all actually square numbers. And finally, the other thing to be aware of is the square root. That's this particular symbol here. That's the square root symbol. Square root is the inverse of squaring a number. So if I was asked to find the square root of 100, then my answer would be 10, because 10 times 10 makes 100. It's like it's doing the opposite thing. The square root of 25 would be 5, because I know that 5 times 5 makes 25. Okay, I hope that's useful. Bye bye.